In the earlier week, rupees trading was confined in a tight range between 74.25 to 74.40, the high and low for the week being 74.2075 and 74.4750 respectively. The prospects of dollar inflows into the local market is likely to maintain the rupee at close to the 74 level. We firmly believe the strong intervention from RBI will disallow any rise in the rupee beyond the 74.00 stiff resistance in the background of rising global demand necessitating to maintain a stable to weaker exchange rate to meet the export target of USD 400 billion set by the government in the current fiscal. RBI in their policy announced on 6th August 2021 advised that the export credit in foreign currency, which is PCFC, can be arrived or provided to exporters using any other widely accepted reference rate. This will also provide guidance on derivatives linked to USD LIBOR over a period of time. The 10-year US yield is now trading at 1.34% and it touched a 3-week high of 1.3790% on Thursday last week. The differential between the 2-year and 10-year US yield has widened to 112 BPs now from 97 BPs a fortnight ago. The yield curve has started to steepen to indicate the chances of a rate hike at the middle of calendar year 2022 or even earlier. At the beginning of this week, 2 Federal Reserve officials said that the US economy is growing rapidly and that while the labor market still has room for improvement, inflation is already at a high that could satisfy the requirement of a rate hike. The upbeat mood around the dollar on Fed tapering and tightening expectations has strengthened the dollar against the major currencies. A spate of ongoing IPOs is one prime reason for the BSE Sensex to register a sharp gain of 4.75% from the beginning of this month till today's closing level. The local stock indices are trading continuously higher in the previous week. In the present exuberant state of the market, manipulation is easy and appears to be happening. To curb excessive speculative activity in specified stocks, BSE's new surveillance framework with add-on price bands for specified stocks listed exclusively on the BSE is a timely initiative. India's CPI inflation for the month of July came in at 5.59%, well within the MPC's inflation targeting range corridor of 2 to 6% on the back of softening food prices. Food price inflation for July dipped to 3.96% compared with 5.15% in June. The lower inflation has given room for the central bank to continue with their accommodative monetary policy stance up to the end of the current fiscal to boost growth in the economy. After better than expected US jobs report released 2 weeks back, followed by tepid US inflation data, the US dollar maintained its strength against the major currencies, which could weigh on the rupee over the short term. In the immediate period, we expect the rupee to hold the support at 74.60, but any news on the timeline of tapering by US could take the rupee lower towards 75.00 level before the end of this month. As the DXY index moves higher, leading to a fall in the Asian currencies, the rupee's slide against the dollar is much lower as dollar inflows dominate the scene in the near term.